If you want to use Adobe XD as a professional software and make money with it, either with your personal or commercial projects, it's really important for you to learn at least some major keyboard shortcuts, because they will improve your speed and your workflow dramatically, and they will make you work faster and smarter inside of XD, and it will be easier for you to navigate the software because you're using keyboard shortcuts rather than clicking everywhere else. So here we are at helpx.adobe.com/xd/help/keyboard shortcuts, and I will leave the link for this video, and you will be able to click and access this page easily. Here right at the top of the page we have downloadable version of keyboard shortcuts, and you can simply click here to download, and it will open up a PDF file inside of the new tab. And I really recommend that you check this file out, because you can easily see all of the Adobe XD shortcuts right here, and you can see separated in the file menu, edit menu, object menu, view menu, windows menu, and so on and so forth. So you don't have to learn all of these, but you really have to learn the majority of them if you want to work extremely fast inside of Adobe XD. Now, don't stress and try to learn all of them at once, because as you can see, if you start scrolling down, there are really a lot of these keyboard shortcuts, but I really recommend that you learn at least some, because they will dramatically improve your speed and your workflow while using XD. And it's simply working smarter using keyboard shortcuts, because it's easier for you to work using two hands in Adobe XD rather than just one hand clicking with the mouse. And you will see after a certain time it will just come as natural. You won't have to think about anything. And if I jump back to XD, you can see that you already have, when you hover over basically everything, you already have keyboard shortcuts. When you right click, you have these keyboard shortcuts right here, so you can learn them from here. But if you want to learn them at your own pace, for example, when you're not at your computer, you can download and use this PDF file with all of the shortcuts of Adobe XD, and then learn them step by step, and then eventually you will get there. You will know majority of these shortcuts, and you will work extremely fast inside of Adobe XD. In the next video, we're going to start focusing on prototyping tools, and I will explain what prototyping tools are inside of Adobe XD, as well as why they are important, how you can find them, and how you can use them. So I'll see you there.